It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Cash Building System Unlimited. A lot of people have been asking me about it, how to make money, sending out postcards. I'm going to explain the whole system again. So let's get ready. So this is how $25 to sign up. Once you sign up, you'll get your whole welcome package. Me personally, when I came in, I signed up at level 3, which is $1,000 level. If you're in level 3, anybody sign up in level 3 or under, you will make $700, $350, and $70. The person above you will get $200, $100, and $20. So you can get paid off your own efforts or off somebody else's efforts. This is my upgrade form. This is my name. This is my ID. Level 3, Cash Building System Unlimited. When someone signs up under you, he'll send you the cash in the mail with a paper with someone's name. And I don't want to put a phone number and stuff out there, but you get the point. This is all my promo stuff. I have little $100 bills on the back. It promotes the product. Also have these that I mail out. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Also, he sends you addresses for people who looking to make money from home. You just put the address label on a postcard and mail it out. Pretty simple. I just received this in the mail from JD Marketing. Just got paid today. Payouts usually come every Saturday. But this one been sitting in the mailbox since Saturday, so just pulled it out the mailbox today. So click the link in my description below and let's get you signed up, make this money.